downtown St. Paul. Quite a few people here. I don't think I'll find parking. It's full. A lot of people are out walking and stuff. I'll pause. Just a few days ago I came here and there was nobody. Now you can see there are people over there sitting. There are people everywhere. I think that's a family because they are not doing social distancing right there. And I see across the river, people are riding bikes. A lot of people are outside. That's a science museum right there. And this is downtown St. Paul by the river. So I'm gonna drive and see if I can find parking somewhere down the street here. This is called Shepherd Road. But I'm not surprised, a lot of people are out. Oh wow. A few days ago you won't see these people walking, but now it's quite a lot of people. No masks, jogging, walking. Cool to see people out. That's downtown over there. Mississippi River is right there. Sorry, I'm moving the camera here for you to see. I don't know if I'll find parking over here. We'll see. Yeah, a lot of people out. There's a place over there where I can park and walk, but I'm not sure I'll find anything, a space. So I found a spot here and I parked, but you can see there's a lot of cars here and People are walking around. I see a person down there riding their boats. Right there. So this downtown here. There's a river. Downtown is to my right, which is there. Up there. So I'm just gonna walk down here, and I'm surprised they have a lot of people. Actually, I shouldn't be surprised because people stay home for a long time, for like a month before they could come out, and now people are taking advantage that the rules have been relaxed some. So that's why you see all these people walking. As you can see, it's a little cloudy up there. That side of the river, that's South St. Paul. And that's a bridge that connects South St. Paul and St. Paul. That Highway 52, it goes all the way to Rochester. You can see there are some boats over there. I think those are tag boats. You can see people walking. So I'm gonna walk down here. I don't know for how long, but probably a mile or so. Yeah, it's nice to see other people walking. And over there is downtown St. Paul. This here, they call it lift bridge. It's for rail tracks. When the train comes, they put the bridge down. Like right now it's down. When a big boat is trying to go through, they lift it. It's pretty cool. It's pretty old. This is the lift bridge I was telling you. As you can see, it's pretty old. Probably it's been here for, who knows, 100 years. But it's all rusty and it's still functional. So this part in the middle here, that's what they lift up. The boats go under there, and the train, when they want to cross, they put it down. Right now it's down, but I don't see any train crossing. Right now there's only one lady in front of me there, and behind me I don't see anybody either. Oh, there are people way over there. That's a little boat over there with about 4 people. They're having fun on the river, Mississippi. Somebody climbed up there and put graffiti. I can't make out what it says, but there's a huge cliff drop there, and at the bottom they have rail tracks. They have a lot of bikers there. It's a group of them riding the bikes. Again, that's me just walking downtown St. Paul by the Mississippi River. The river is right behind me over there. Alright, subscribe. That place over there used to be a prison. They demolished it and they put some sand over there, some gravel. You can't tell, but they used to have a building there, a prison, and prisoners had windows. You still can see remnants of the old building right there. But prisoners, I guess they used to have a nice view of the river. And over there in the middle of the river, they have an island. They call Harriet Island. but I see a lot of logs that were swept by the high water on the river here. You can see a lot of logs over there. So just walking down here, I see a couple more people here. Two ladies just walking by the river here. That building there, it's the Science Museum of Minnesota. Right there. That's a Science Museum building. That's a nice place to go, but they are closed right now. And I don't know when they're gonna open. Probably they'll be closed the whole year. They have a nice open ground here with the grass where people just come and sit and chill and relax. In summer, they're gonna have some sprinklers here, water running. So it's like a water fountain. That one, I'm sure it's pretty cool. I have a bird here. Don't know what it's called. Someone chilling with a dog there, and quite a few people over here. Quite a few people, as you can see over here. Kids enjoying themselves. And again, that's a river. And I'm going to cut. Thanks for watching. And hopefully you're having fun too. You're enjoying yourself. Alright, peace out.